Life's not a straight road. Lots of twists and turns, takes us in unexpected directions. You moved from being a driving instructor to being a surfing instructor. How did that happen?
So I retrained as a joiner during my time as a driving instructor, and I always had the plan of changing career from being a driving instructor to something else. Once I'd fully done my joinery apprenticeship, I sort of from there, I carried on with the driving school. Driving instructors get assessed sort of every 18 months or so, and it got to my sort of assessment, and I'd fallen behind in regulation and the way things are done, and I got this assessment, and it did not go very well at all. Not to a point where I was sort of sacked on the spot as a driving instructor, but I thought, oh my God. And I was always worried this day would come. That my whole 9 years as a driving instructor, I was like, oh my God, I got a dreaded check test, or standards checks, what it's called, And that day did come. Now, it wasn't long after that, I was going to have another assessment, but a surfer friend of mine who also owns a surf school approached me and said, do you want to come be a surfing instructor? And I was like, yeah, all right. Yeah, I'll come and do that. So it literally... it got to the point where I was going to be doing my reset, my standards check. Mm-hmm. The day before, I had one more driving test to take someone for, and they passed, and that day I resigned as a driving instructor. The following week, I was then doing my training with a guy, Steve Bounds, down in Banborough to do my surf instructor training, and then from there, over the summer, I was a surfing instructor for Suds, Suds Surf School at Sandend, and then the job in September came up with SurfABLE. I applied, I got that, and here I am today. So I always intended on giving up the driving school, and I finally did, and this is what's led me to where I am today. So I suppose, rebounding life just kind of, there's always something, so you worry about something ending, like my driving school, for example, but there was something else to carry on with after that.
Yeah, the end is the beginning.
Absolutely, yeah.